He's losing an engine. And he's going to come back around for an emergency landing.
I got that on video.
Oscar 324, roger that. Do you know if any vehicles picked up any debris?
That's a negative. There's 3 of us out there and none of us found anything.
Oscar 324, thank you.
Tower
Ops 4, go ahead.
Is Speedbird going to return here to Towēr?
Ops 4, we're unsure at this point. I believe they're holding over Gateway right now. They did declare an emergency. I would assume that they're going to need it to return, but they're probably going to burn off some fuel, but that's just a guess at this point. Ops for Phoenix Tower.
Ops 4, go ahead, Tower.
Ops 4 just got word that Speedbird is coming back in, but it'll be some time. He needs to burn off fuel.
Okay, and no guesstimate on time?
Negative.
Speedbird 38 Papa Heavy, Phoenix Tower, wind 350 at Niner, runway 8, clear to land. Speedbird 38 Papa Heavy, affirmative, and fire command is on, frequency 134.85 with transmit and receive capabilities. Fire command, Phoenix Tower. Fire command, Phoenix Tower. The next aircraft to land is Speedbird 38 Papa Heavy on a Niner mile final. Fire command, affirmative.